Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful, pretty rare kind of car here. This is a 2013 Honda Civic Hybrid. The reason why it's rare is just for what comes in the car for options and the color and the uniqueness of this car. For 2013, it was super seating, very far advanced. It comes with lane departure warning, front crash warning, so a lot of really cool very relevant features even in today's market. I mean, that's kind of what everybody wants in cars nowadays, and this one comes standard equipped with all of that, so that's a really nice feature. Comes with beautiful clean and clear headlights. It also has these really nice bright LED daytime running light fog lights, and there's 3 circles on it, so it looks really cool. Nice presence when you see it drive up to you, and looks really good. This one's powered by an actual slightly smaller engine than what you would normally get in the standard Civic. This one comes with a 1.5 4-cylinder engine with the IMA system, the integrated motor assist, and that's done through regenerative braking, and you get an auto start-stop system, and the hybrid battery feeds power to the AC compressor when you are on the auto start-stop system. So beautiful hood. Look at that beautiful black paint, just piano black. It's just almost like it's dripping wet. Looks really great on the camera. I could tell this would really come up on the video really well. So this is a very nice, clean condition Honda Civic. It's 2 previous owners on this one, and it comes with these super unique wheels. These are unique only to the hybrid model, but it's got like a little bit of a little blocking here, so there's not so much disturbance for wind, so very aerodynamic wheels to help that hybrid technology really get that gas and fuel economy up to that mid-40s range. So you get about mid-40s on the fuel economy. City or highway, it's really right there, pretty close. And the interior is super nice. It comes with full leather interior, has a navigation system, it has a rear backup camera, AM/FM stereo, you get dual heated front seats, then we also get auxiliary connectivity and charging ports. We get USB inside our center console that is retractable there, and then we get dual cup holders, automatic CVT transmission, keyless entry, and I love all the black and silver theme across the whole car. I mean, you see it throughout, and it's just really nicely tied together, and then you get a nice 2-tone black on gray interior. And then up top we have dual vanity mirrors, and those are nice and taut to the headliner, and the headliner's still up very nice. It's not falling or anything, and that's the original perforated material. So again, really good there. Comes with a great sound system, and you get tweeters in the front A pillars, and then you get side curtain airbags on the A and C pillars. So plenty of safety. It has tinted windows. These tires are they're new tires, and then you get an extra new tire on the driver front. That one is a different brand than the rest, so that one was replaced aside from the set that's already on it. So it comes with all the factory floor mats, a beautiful interior, smoke and pet free, just really nice and clean. And then the body is just beautiful. I mean, you have some scratches and small dings, dents. You know, it's a 2013, so I mean, almost 10-year-old car. So you're going to get that 10-year-old car stuff, but it does look really good. Now, it comes with a all-weather trunk mat. It says Civic on it, which is nice, and then you can see the hybrid designation back there. And these are super rare taillights. These are factory taillights. They look beautiful, though. I love this LED look. So it comes with LED rear taillights that looks really nice, and then that little lip spoiler there, all specific to this car. And it drives excellent. I mean, it's an excellent driving car. It's a very reliable car. And the great thing about it is, don't be fooled by the mileage, but this hybrid battery's been replaced through Honda. So that's one of the biggest selling features of this car, is that you don't have to worry about replacing that battery for probably the next 15 years. So you're set. It comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, automatic for the driver front window only. And then you have your fuel door and trunk release and hood release there. Lane departure warning button, traction control button, you can turn those features on or off, as well as the econ mode, you can turn that feature on or off. So that's just going to limit the throttle response and just make the car take off a little bit slower. It's interesting, whenever you start these Honda hybrids, it's just a turn. You're not going to hear anything crank, you just do a little click forward, and then the car just fires right up. You can't hear anything. It's actually pretty cool. So it comes with automatic headlights, standard interval front wipers, And then leather wrap steering wheel, beautiful Honda logo here, nice and bright and shiny, no fading there. Sometimes they're a little faded and yellow. Comes with the Bluetooth connectivity, comes with volume controls, your menu controls for up here. You can cycle through the clock, the radio, the fuel economy. It even gives you an eco score. It tells you what's going on with the battery and hybrid technology. So if you're running off engine or battery or both. And then you can see your navigation system there. Rear backup camera there. You can change the modes as well too on the view. Does come with CD player. And as you can see, the heated seat buttons illuminate there. And the AC is ice cold. And like I said, a start-stop system. So that's really cool. When you come up to a light, it shuts off and it turns back on when you go forward. It comes with 160,000 original miles. But some people don't like the start-stop system. This one's actually really clean and elegant. It does it very nicely to where you don't even feel it. I don't think I can make the car do it, but it's usually if you hit the brakes hard enough. No. But when it's on, the needle will go down to 0 and then it'll flash green for auto start-stop so you know what's going on and why the car's off. But there is the crash warning sensors up there. So. And then you get the lane departure here. So all that's good. Everything's properly working. Don't be afraid of this car. You're gonna get excellent fuel economy. You get a great looking car. You get unprecedented reliability. Plus you get the hybrid battery already replaced, so you don't have to worry about that major maintenance. That's the one big maintenance to all hybrids, is you eventually have to do that battery. This one's been done. So buy worry-free that this car will give you plenty of great times ahead of it. It's got a lot of miles left in it, and it is one beautiful, rare Honda Civic. So come down and see us with this 2013 Honda Civic Hybrid. You can find exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.